Introducing the electric warming tray, the pinnacle of food warming technology. This innovative device is engineered to keep your culinary creations at optimal temperatures. It is expertly designed for home parties, buffets, dinners, and more. Offers 3 temperature settings ranging from 60 to 100, 140 to 12 for customized warmth. Our warming tray maintains food warmth for up to 6 hours, ensuring a delightful dining experience. The foldable design allows for easy storage, optimizing kitchen space. Featuring a nano silicone material, it's safe, easy to clean, and excels in heat retention. Rapid stereo heat transfer technology ensures swift and even heating across the entire surface. Compatible with metal, ceramic, glass, and enamel tableware for unmatched versatility. This product has a detachable power plug for easier cleaning, ideal for daily meals, dough fermentation, thawing, and special occasions like Ramadan and Shabbat. Elevate every gathering with perfectly warmed dishes using our electric warming tray. Experience the convenience and superior performance of the electric warming tray today. Get yours today. Click the link in the description below. Tired of meal prepping fails and kitchen chaos? I found a solution that's seriously a game changer. I'm obsessed with the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. 13 functions. It does everything, from air frying to baking. Seriously, no more guesswork, just yummy food. Joule Autopilot is my BFF. It guides you through recipes. It switches modes automatically. I can finally relax. Element IQ. This oven cooks food evenly, no cold spots. 5 independent quartz elements deliver perfect crispiness. Breville Plus has over 1,000 guided recipes. What? Epicurious, NYT Cooking, America's Test Kitchen recipes included? Hey Google, bake at 3 and 50. Voice control is the future. Seriously, this oven is a must-have. Run, don't walk. Click the link below to snag yours before they're gone.
Adulting is hard, but what if dinner wasn't? I felt so stressed trying to balance work and healthy meals. Why does cooking have to be a chore and unhealthy? Tired of the same old boring dinners, no time, always rushing, always stressed, spending hours in the kitchen, nobody's got time for that. That's where my Chefman air fryer comes in clutch. It's not just an air fryer, it's a rotisserie, dehydrator, and convection oven. I used to drown my wings in oil, now they're crispy perfection with 98% less oil. Seriously, feels like I'm cheating the system, y'all. 17 presets means even I can't mess up dinner. Plus, the window lets me peek without letting all the heat out. Genius, this thing is huge. Feeds the whole fam or meal preps for days. I'm telling you, my body and budget are thanking me. Drip tray and dishwasher safe parts, cleanup is a breeze. Seriously, run, don't walk, and grab your Chefman air fryer now. Link in description. Tired of cooking fails because measurements are always off? Ruining your masterpiece because your scale is a liar? Inaccurate measurements can turn a culinary dream into a kitchen nightmare. Say hello to your new bestie, Digital Kitchen Food Scale and Measuring Cup. This scale is so accurate. Digital scale equals precise measurements. It's like having a pro chef in your pocket, super easy to use. Even your grandma could become a baking boss. And cleanup is a breeze. The cup is washable. Forget to turn it off. It's got you covered with auto shut off. Powered by a lithium battery for long life. It won't ghost you mid-recipe. No more guessing grams or ounces. Perfect every time. Large LCD display makes reading measurements easy peasy, no squinting. Finally, a scale that doesn't require eagle eyes to operate correctly. Run, don't walk, and grab yours now. Link in bio.
Ever feel like you're wrestling a greased pig in the kitchen? Hands full, need a towel, disaster ensues. Sound familiar? I was elbow deep in cookie dough, needed a towel ASAP. That's when I realized there has to be a better way. Meet my kitchen's new necessity, the Innovia Touchless Dispenser. It sits right on the counter like it owns the place. So sleek. Wave your hand, and boom, paper towel appears. Magic. Seriously, no more cross-contaminating raw chicken germs. Ew, it even sucks back extra towel. No more dangling ends, keeps everything clean and dry. We love a tidy kitchen. Plug it in or use batteries. Options, people, options. I'm using batteries so I can move it around my kitchen. Loading is a breeze. Just pop the roll in and go. Pro tip, follow the instructions. Seriously, it's worth it. Works with most paper towels, just not those super thick ones. Seriously, ditch the kitchen chaos. Grab yours now before they sell out. Link in description.
Busy parents, listen up. Tired of burning dinners? You need this timer. Seriously, stop the madness. Chef Ramsay's secret to perfect timing revealed. It's not culinary school, it's this insane timer. I can't promise Michelin stars, but perfectly cooked meals every time? Absolutely. Say goodbye to burnt dinners, fam. Meet the VOCOO digital kitchen timer. One dial to rule them all. So easy, even the kids can use it. No more tiny buttons. Ultra clear display, see the time from across the room. Loud, soft, or mute. Your choice, your piece. Stick it on the fridge. Magnets are strong, trust me. 2 brightness settings, day or night, it's got you. Batteries included, let's go! What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below.
Tired of your chaotic, germ-filled cutting boards? Spending more time cleaning than cooking? I feel you. Let's fix that. I used to dread cooking, germs and mess everywhere. Seriously, my cutting boards were public enemy number 1. The root of this problem is germs hiding everywhere. We need ultra-clean kitchenware. This game-changing smart cutting board is the answer. It steams, dries, and sanitizes itself. Remember that salmonella scare? Never again. Now I cook stress-free and super clean. This set comes with everything. Knives, boards, chopsticks. It's color-coded for hygiene. Genius. Oh, it's also easy to clean. And it's super quiet. It's quieter than some people I know. This smart cutting board is a total lifesaver. Seriously. Click the link below and upgrade your kitchen now. You won't regret it.
Still lugging water bottles? Ouch, friend! Your back's screaming, your kitchen's a mess, sound familiar? Brio water cooler is here to save the day and your spine. Bottom loading? Yes. No more heavy lifting, period. Slide that bottle in and poof, hydration station achieved. UV self-cleaning? It's like a spa day for your water. Press a button and Brio does the dirty work. Too easy. Iced coffee, tea, or just chill water. You choose. Hot, cold, or room temp. Brio's got all the vibes. Midnight snack? No problem, the nightlight got you covered. Child safety lock makes sure no hot water accidents could happen. Seriously, upgrade your hydration game now. Click the link in the description below and hydrate.
What if you could sharpen any knife in seconds? I've got to show you this game changer. This Homley sharpener uses real diamond abrasives. Honestly, I was shook at how quickly it works. Like, bam! Aren't dull knives the worst? So dangerous, to be honest. My take? Sharp knives are essential for safety and efficiency. Picture this. Struggling to slice a tomato, it slips, almost takes off my finger. A whole mess. Now, I can slice paper-thin slices. Who wouldn't want that? This sharpener has angle guides for perfect sharpening. Plus, double layer protection and noise reduction, it's safe and easy. Chef's knife, steak knives, even ceramic knives. It's a universal knife sharpener. No excuses now. Plus, they're a 2-year warranty and crazy fast customer support. Run, don't walk to grab yours now while it's available.
Bet you're overcooking your expensive meats. Dry brisket, tough steak. I've been there. I was tired of the same failures, y'all. Then I realized I needed better tech. Say hello to the Meter Pro Duo. This ain't your grandpa's thermometer. 100% wireless, monitor temps via Wi-Fi. Real-time alerts right to your phone. 2 probes, 6 sensors each, up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It even monitors ambient temp, can't beat that. Guided cook system guarantees perfect results. I get praised at every single barbecue now. Waterproof, dishwasher safe, super easy to use, fast charging, stylish bamboo block. Seriously, level up your grilling game now. Click the link below, you won't regret it.